Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I want to talk about why bodyweight exercises are so effective if you're trying to build muscle to overcome your case of Pectus Excavatum. So there are a few reasons why I love bodyweight exercises for pectus. Number one, they're simple and easy to do, right? Everyone can do bodyweight exercises anywhere. It's like the first exercise you probably ever did when it comes to like resistance training to build muscle, okay? You probably did a push-up or a pull-up or a sit-up. They're very simple exercises that you can do anywhere. The accessibility of them just makes them so great. It's something all of you can do, whether you're at a gym or not, or whether you're in a remote area or not, like you have your body weight to work with. The next reason why I like them so much is because they actually are very great at targeting the key areas for pectus. So, I just mentioned the three kind of staple bodyweight exercises you probably think of when I say bodyweight training, which is push-up, pull-up, sit-up, okay? Guess what? Push-up, that works the chest. Pull-up, that works the back. Sit up, that works the abs. Guess what the three key muscle groups are to target when it comes to training for Pectus Excavatum? Chest, back, abs. So these three core staple bodyweight exercises that are probably the three that come to your mind when you think of bodyweight training are targeting the key muscle groups we need to develop when it comes to pectus. So how convenient is that? See, there are other bodyweight exercises like a lunge, an air squat and things, and that's great too, because then you can get full body workouts. But the main ones that most of you are probably doing and thinking of is the push-up, pull-up, sit-up, and they're targeting the key muscle groups for pectus. So that's amazing. Now, obviously there's so many bodyweight exercises, and so I definitely, when you're thinking about bodyweight training, I wouldn't be thinking about just push-up, pull-up, sit-up. Obviously there's like hundreds of bodyweight ab exercises you could be implementing. You can be doing a close grip push-up, an incline push-up, a decline push-up, all kinds of different push-up variations. Obviously pull-up, you've got a pull-up, you've got a chin-up. So there are lots of things you can be doing with your body weight to target, the key muscle groups of pectus beyond just the push-up, pull-up, sit-up. So we definitely want a bit of variety in your regime there, because the body is adaptive. So if you just do the same thing again and again and again, it will eventually, slow down your rate of progression. So it is more optimal to have like a progressive program and implementing a variety of exercises. Now, something else I like about bodyweight movements, particularly the push-up and the pull-up, is they're actually compound movements. So they're like bigger multi-joint movements that are targeting more muscle groups than just, the chest and back. Obviously when you're doing a push-up, you're also going to be working your shoulder a bit, your triceps. When you're doing a pull-up, you're going to be working all the muscles in your back, plus your bicep, your rear delts. And so when you're working multiple muscle groups in one, it just makes it a high efficiency exercise. And so, I always program compound movements for my clients as well as isolation movements, but compound movements are great. And if you could only do like a couple movements, or you only had limited base of time, then I would definitely be programming compound movements for their higher efficiency and like more bang for your buck, okay? And so for people limited on time as well, bodyweight movements are just so great because they're high efficiency, you can do it at home, and they're like compound movements. So you're working more muscle groups and just getting a really quick and effective workout. And then the last reason why I like bodyweight exercises so much for pectus is because for pectus to actually overcome your condition with building muscle, the key thing you want to develop is a lean muscular physique. And bodyweight exercises are so good because if you're actually getting progression on them, it's a good indicator that you're getting more muscular and like leaner muscular, because the reality is you can get stronger on like a bench press or a deadlift or things by getting fat and putting on weight. Mass moves mass. Whereas with bodyweight exercises, it doesn't work like that. If you want to get stronger, you need to get stronger, you need to get more muscular, okay? It's not gonna happen if you're just putting on weight and mass and doing like a dirty bulk, and that's not what we wanna do when we're training for pectus. So bodyweight movements keep you honest with that, honest with your progressions, because if you're getting stronger at it, then it's a great indicator you're developing that lean muscular physique, which is what we want when it comes to pectus. So it's something I actually often use to test people's progress beyond visually looking at their progress, but bodyweight exercises as well. So anyway, guys, that's why bodyweight exercises are so great. If you are training to mask your Pectus Excavatum, I hope this was helpful. Start implementing them. It's something I've basically got in my clients' programs all the time, is some bodyweight exercises. Obviously, weight-based movements, cables, barbells, dumbbells have their place. I find obviously bodyweight movements, it's quite hard to be very isolative and really trying to target key areas. So that's where, like a cable fly and things are very advantageous. So when people message me saying they just want a bodyweight calisthenics program for pectus, I tell them that that is not the most optimal approach. Bodyweight exercises are very optimal and should be in your program, but so they should be used in conjunction with other exercises like a cable fly and, using dumbbells and a dumbbell pullover and exercises like that that do require equipment.